Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Ram 1500 Sport. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in granite. It looks awesome. You do have the sport hood on it. It looks great, very cool. You do also have the Ram badging with the granite grille. It does also come with bifunction projector style headlights right there, and you do have your fog lights down there as well. Now coming around the side here, we do have 20-inch rims with Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. They look great, still tons of tread left on them. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors with the turning signals, and along the bottom we do have our running boards. Now it also comes with a 5-foot box back here. Looks great. You have the 4x4 badging, as well as you have your backup camera there and your dual exhaust pipes with the parking sensors back here. Now open it up. Looks great back here. It is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle. Tons of room back here to haul whatever you might need to. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we do have 2 presses to activate our remote start. Always nice, especially in the winter. Gets it nice and warm for you. You don't have to go outside in the cold. Now, it does also have proximity keyless entry, so if you have the key on your person, you can just put your hand in there and it will unlock for you. Plus you have the button there if you did want to lock it with that. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. This one does bring in your mirrors as well. Then you got a big chrome accenting on your handle, another handle here, some storage here, and some more down here with a water bottle holder. Looks great in here. It is a leather interior, very soft and comfortable. You do have the stitching here that accents it very nicely. As well, you do have the controls over your lights. So you have your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as if you press it in, you have your fog lights. Then right here, we do have the controls over our high beams, turning signals, and windshield wipers. Right down here, we do have the controls over the seats. So we have the backward and the forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support there. Okay, it is a push to start, so you just got to put your foot on the brake, press the button, and as long as the keys are in the vehicle with you, it will start right up. Now, in the center, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have our battery life up there and our oil. Now, it is just telling us our park sensor's off, but we can change that. Now, in the center, it also has all sorts of different options. It does have our vehicle info. It has our fuel economy, trip A, trip B. We also have our trailer tow, our audio. We have our stored messages, screen setup, and back to our speedometer. It also says we only have 2,765 kilometers on this vehicle. That is pretty much nothing. Now in the center here, we do also have the controls over our Bluetooth, our horn, and then we also have our cruise control options right there. And then coming right here, we do have our gear shift. So you just got to turn it just like that, and that's how you shift gears. Down here, you do have your 4 auto, lock, low, and your 2-wheel. And when you are in reverse, you do have the ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. Now we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display here with Uconnect. So you do have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM. Plus you got your media tab if you have anything hooked up through Bluetooth, aux cord USB, or the other USB. You got your climate control in here, so you do have a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You also have your Uconnect apps right here. All sorts of different stuff to explore in there. You have your heated and vented seats, your mirror dimmer, backup camera, heated steering wheel, plus you got your navigation right over here. If you hit view map, you can see we are on Rec Place. You also have your phone options if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. Now down here we do have our volume up and down. We have our mute button, screen off, hazard lights, back button, and our browser over there. AC, circulation, heat up and down. We got the power off auto. We also have our our defrost, right there. Then down here we do have our trailer brake. We have our traction control, tow and haul mode, front and rear park sense. Let's turn those off so we can park a little better. Then we also have the heated and vented seats right down there, plus our our steering wheel heat. Then you have a bit of storage here, a bit more over here. Lots of storage right in here, plus you do have a place to put your phone. You have your cup holders right here. And then you also have your armrest that doubles as a storage container, and you have some USB plugins right over there with an aux cord plug-in. You can close this back up and open the bottom. Lots of room in there for whatever you might want to put in there. Then over here we do have a top layer for our glove box and a bottom layer right there. Up top here we do have the controls over our sunroof, the little window in the back, and our universal garage door opener. And there is our sunroof looking fantastic. Let's take a look in the back here, open this guy up. Now on the door here you have that same chrome accenting on your handle. You have the controls over your windows, handle here, some storage, and some more right down there. Looks great back here. It is leather as well. Feels great. You can pull this down. You do have an armrest with some cup holders on it. Then you can fold the seats actually up if you did need. And you got some additional storage just underneath there. Underneath the other seat is a subwoofer, so you can blast your music and make it nice and loud. You can also fold these down. You got a flat surface to put some storage on top of or whatever you might need to. And then you do have some additional storage just underneath the mats here. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2018 Ram 1500 Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.